Hello everyone! Today I want to show you a simple way to make your very own oat milk. Since most store-bought oat milks come packaged in Tetra Paks, which unfortunately are only around 30% recyclable, we are going to make our own. This recipe is a true all-rounder. It can be used in sweet as well as in savory dishes. It takes approximately 10 minutes and makes around 1 liter of oat milk. You will need 900 milliliters cold water, 100 grams coarse organic oats, 100 grams ice cubes, 1 date or an alternative sweetener, and a pinch of salt. You will also need a measuring cup, a blender, and a straining cloth. Now put all the ingredients into the blender. The ice prevents a slimy consistency, as we don't want to make porridge. If you want it sweeter, simply add a few dates. For an even creamier consistency, add a tablespoon of plant oil. Mix everything on the highest setting for about a minute. After blending, filter the oat milk. Pass it through a sieve first. This will save you time when pushing it through the straining cloth. This oat milk can be kept in the fridge for up to 3 days. Remember to shake it well before each use. Did you know oat milk is the most sustainable milk alternative? The cultivation of oats requires less water and generates fewer carbon emissions compared to other alternatives. They are also being locally grown in Europe, which ensures shorter transportation routes. Thank you for watching and enjoy!